Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about difference between AI agents and agentic AI. In the previous tutorial, I have already told that AI agents are independent or autonomous softwares which are designed to perform a specific task. And you can see here that AI agents are single entity systems. As already told, they perform goal-oriented tasks and they use external tools and real-time information with the help of the APIs to finish those tasks. They are modular and task specific in nature. So they do perform reasoning and obviously break the task into smaller ones also as per the requirement and finish it. While agentic AI, if I say agentic AI is a collection of AI agents. In other words, it's a multi-agent system, okay, which comprises of specialized agents. So we are having many agents present here who are working on their specific task. So it's a group of AI agents. They do coordinate. They also perform like dynamically on the allocated task. However, because there are multiple AI agents, the entire system might be complex in nature, but we mean to build such type of systems in order to have a collaborative workflow. So in this diagram, you can see the characteristics or the properties of AI agents and agentic AI. That means like interaction, autonomy, architecture, mechanism, scope, and complexity, which needs to be defined if we discuss about AI agents and agentic AI, how they interact. Obviously, they are autonomous systems. Architecture depends that in which system and how they are behaving, working. What is the mechanism? Obviously, they use LLMs. And what is the scope? For what task they have been set up for? Okay. So here you can see one of the example like this is an AI agent on the left hand side and a temperature has been set. So this agent will be sensing the temperature. The entire system is like this. For example, if the temperature is low, you need to turn on the heater, and if the temperature is high, you need to turn off the heater. So AI agent will be continuously sensing the temperature, and accordingly, it will take a decision. However, on the right hand side, you can see another image that is of agentic AI, and there are so many agents are working. One AI agent is related to weather forecasting, so it will update about the weather forecast. Another AI agent is related to the energy prices, so it will tell those. And if the user has been looking for an AI agent as per the schedule, meetings, whatever for the custom purposes. So here we are having user schedule AI agent for home appliances also like lightning and etc. We are having a different AI agent. So like you can see the entire system is made up of different AI agents. Okay, so in combination, in collection to them is said to be agentic AI. Well, as discussed, told previously also, AI agents are built up or set up with the help of LLMs. So LLMs play major because because AI agent they do work on the basis of LLM only. They understand, respond in natural language. So large language models have a capability of it. Therefore, whatever be the strength of AI agent which we are seeing, which we know, that is because of LLMs only. So the response is given by an LLM only. In an AI agent, we do have an LLM working behind the scene, and it helps in planning and simple decision making. Also, like using fine tuning and human feedback making for these to make the system more strong. So ultimately, AI agent is built up of LLM only. Okay, and it is in integration with the other applications. Like, for example, if you want to automate our schedule, like automation of emails, fine. So we will be having an LLM, and LLM with the help of an API or with some platform, it will be connected via the email address. Okay, so we have been defined a task for automation of an email that will be done via LLM. However, LLM do have the limitations like they hallucinate. Okay, they get confused, wrong answers can be given. They don't update the language, your knowledge in real time. Fine, because the language models, once they are trained over a data, they are working on that behalf. So, like real time updates might be one of the issue. However, right now we are having the LLMs which are taking the real time information also, and they are generating the text according. Well, they struggle with cause and effect reasoning also. Reasoning might be an issue, however. We have seen that now reasoning capability has also been increased. These are certain limitations. So, AI agent or agentic AI, let's say agentic AI, its emergence moved from one agent. As I told you, we are having multiple agents. Let's bring a team of agents. They will work together. So system, actually the point is we don't have only one task. Now we are having multiple tasks. We are having so many goals, and we need to furnish those goals. So we have to set up multiple agents. Okay, they will be autonomously working on them. Fine. They can handle the complex task also. That is what we mean to say right now. And in the upcoming time, definitely AI agents are going to be much more strong. There are architectural advancements also happened, like compared to old modular agents, agentic AI is more advanced and coordinated. Actually, the issue with the agentic AI will be the coordination only because one agent is working on some task and another agent is working on some task. So coordination between them is one of the issue. However, with the architectural advancements, we are having a good response now. Memory sharing or independent memory, what they are having, agents manage other agents also. Like this is also one of the things, like meta agent thing, multi-step thinking also, like chain of thoughts, reasoning capability, smart way to communicate between the agents. So all these things are challenging. However, new features like in this way are being added. Still the research is going on, and we are going to see more updates in the coming time. Okay. So AI agents, like in a simple way, they're used to search information, writing emails, summarizing. Now there are many more things are happening, like message automations, WhatsApp, Telegram, and we are seeing many examples currently. Agentic AI is used for research, controlling the robot groups, making business plans. Okay, fine. So the current challenges in terms of AI agents are like as they are based upon LLM, so hallucination is one of the problem. They are sensitive to how questions are asked, obviously, because the response will be given by an LLM, so they will be sensitive to that. It may happen they can't plan well, and there could be poor understanding, cause and the effect. Okay, so all these are related to like somehow hallucinations. While agentic AI, agents like as they are many in nature, so there might be a problem with the coordination. They may not work well together. There could be an issue with the coordination. Okay, one agent mistake can affect other agent's mistake. Obviously, behavior is unpredictable. It's hard to explain also. Okay, can be fooled by the security issues. Fine. These are the problems with agentic AI. So solutions are being tried, as I already told that right now we are having more research going on. So like causal thinking, that means dividing tasks into multiple tasks and giving much more ability, capability for reasoning. Okay, so much more algorithm, technique, maths has been now incorporated in deep thinking. Okay. Mixed search algorithm like RAGs, retrieval augmented generations might be used. Shared memory between the agents can be used, and strong testing methods for reliability to see whether the agentic AI is working good or not. Okay, so ultimately the goal is to make them safe and more useful in critical areas like health, money, and robotics. Okay, that's what we want. Fine. At the end, we do have a very uh, small table to differentiate between AI agents and agentic AI. Let me summarize. So, AI agents are autonomous softwares. Agentic AI is built up of multiple AI agents. AI agents are autonomous within specific tasks. However, the agentic AI is having higher authority with the ability to manage multiple tasks and like here, the agent typically handles single or specific task. It can handle multiple tasks. It can operate independently. That is the AI agent. While multi-agent works in a collaboration. Okay. AI agent learn and adapt within a specific domain. However, multi-agent agentic AI learn and adapt within a wider range of tasks and environment. Okay. And the applications are like customer chatbots, virtual assistant, automatic workflows for AI agent. While in case of agentic AI, we do have a supply chain management, business process optimization, and virtual project managers as an application. So this is all about the difference between AI agent and agentic AI. We will be going to learn more about AI agents in the upcoming lectures. Till then, thank you very much. Kindly do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.